Okay, so you can see that I rounded out all of my sides. I'm going to show you the next step, which would be to start to create some depth within the actual features of the face. So I think I'm going to do similar technique as I did down in here where I faded it out, but I'm going to take some away from the eye, like around it, and then the eye is going to be sticking out a little bit. I always do it on that angle, you know, so it's not exactly squared off again. And then I'm going to try to round out the eyeball a little bit, going in the opposite direction. And this doesn't have to be like super deep. I think these lines in here, I'm just going to kind of like, I want that nose line, so I'm just going to kind of take some out. So you just have to use your judgment, and that's kind of hard to get into, so I'm going to use my other tool. But I'm just creating a little bit of three-dimensional kind of quality in the facial parts now. And you know, even if you're not doing something that has a face like this, you can still do the similar technique. So same thing, I'm just deciding what I want higher and what I want lower, and I'm using that same technique of taking the corner off and making that a little bit more three-dimensional. I'm going to do it on this side as well, down so that the nose here sticks out a little bit. So you can see that that's starting to take shape a little bit, and that's really what we want.